be making waves, boy.
We riding, she riding.
What is up, everybody? It's your boy Cool Kid Adam, and we back to another video. As you guys can see, we got a bunch of dad hats here that we're gonna get out the way now. We got an unboxing today. As you guys can see here, this is a pretty small box. Probably doesn't contain any shoes, but let's get it open and see what's in here. Right here, as you guys can see, we have a proimage sports bag. And this is the receipt that I had just ripped. Right here we got the New York Yankees mint chocolate chip hat. I had seen on their Instagram the other day that they had did a shock drop, and I had gone ahead and picked this up very quick, very fast. I think it took like 2 days to come in. I also have this one here, Red Sox hat. It says Cool Kid with the money sign right there. I actually just picked this one up today. Boston Red Sox hat, pink. Cool Kid there. Wanted Dead or Alive. Had a little bit of fun with this one, you know. So these are the 3 fitted hats I have now. We're getting back into collecting fitteds. We don't mess with no dad hats no more. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I got some more coming in. We're going to keep showing you guys. But for right now, this is my fitted hat collection. Till I get more, y'all gonna see. Peace.
I can't even, I can't even front this shit, happy for a reason. I was on my ass, I ain't had no hope, I stopped believing. Yeah, this shit gon' come out even. Yeah, beat all the odds, it's even. Yeah, it's alright now, 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 it's alright, it's alright. We ain't worried about nobody, we ain't worried about nobody, we ain't worried about